So a person in the comments of the last video asked me for an example of training for a 10K on a treadmill. I'm pretty sure that's what the comment said, so I'm going to do it right now. So I'm going to go into my Garmin app here. I'm going to click training and planning, and I'm going to hit the Garmin coaching plans, or you could hit races and events. But I'm going to the Garmin coaching plans. I'm going to hit find a plan. I'm going to train for an event. I'm going to hit accept. I'm going to run. I'm going to say my average weekly distance. We'll say 1 to 5 miles because you're training for a 10K, honestly. We're going to say you're doing a 9:30 average pace here. I'm going on through. I'm going to hit 10K as what I'm training for. Then my goal is to finish. So from there, I can click from Coach Jeff. I can click from Coach Amy, Coach Greg, and the Garmin Run Coach. So you can choose from all these Garmin Coach plans, which I'm just going to click one. I'm going to click the first dude just because I'm going to click them. In it, it says that I'm going to be working out 3 days a week. You have your daily workouts from the Garmin. We're going to set up the plan. Here are the days that I'll say, let's say I can only do 3 days, which most likely is that arrangement. Then you'll hit next and it'll say when you would prefer your long run. I'm going to say Sunday and Saturday. So we'll just do Saturday. We'll say Saturday. Now you can find the race you're actually going to train for. If you go in here, you can add the name. Let's just choose a random one. Flannel 5K 10K. Look, right now it's saying it's going to be February the 14th, which is really cool because when the Garmin app actually knows the race that you're going to be running, it'll show you the average temperature it was during that race in the past, how long till you actually have that race with a little countdown over here. It'll say your local start time. It could even have you register for the race here or go to the website if you haven't already done that. Now you're going to hit add to plan. Once you hit add to plan, you're going to see your plan name, the race itself, your coach, the amount of times you're going to be working out, the days you're going to be working out, the day you have your long run, and your goal. We're going to hit create plan. Now we have the workouts. You can't really go that far into the future because they need you to do a benchmark run first. Once you do that, you'll be able to see what you're going to be doing throughout the program, and it will change as you do it. But this person asked about doing the 10K on a treadmill. And honestly, how you do that is when you do your runs, you run on a treadmill and you hit the treadmill button on your watch. But if while you're training for your race that you just programmed on Garmin Connect into your Garmin watch because it made it so simple and easy, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to put in your own strength workouts into your watch and create your own program easily with the Garmin Connect app and download everything to your watch. So just check out these 2 videos right here and hit that like button and subscribe if you found value in this and want to see more of these.